What is the difference between a case and a story?
Well, let's put it this way. If I, as the lawyer, stand up in an opening statement for a personal injury case and say something to the effect of, this man's conditions have been assessed and treated by this 5 numbers of expert medical people ranging from neurologists to neuropsychologists to sociologists to OT, PT, and let me tell you what they have to say about each of these polysyllables that the guy suffers from. And then I start saying things like, he has contracted that, he suffers from this, he's acquired that. The story you're now telling, because you're trying to go through the chronology of his medical history, which is almost never good for a plaintiff's story, is that he's acquiring it on his own. The only person that's on stage inside their heads is your guy. The example would be in a nursing home, okay? If you say, Auntie takes a fall on the way to the bathroom because nobody was there to help her, or because they didn't have the proper equipment, or because the bells don't work, close your eyes. How many people are in the picture? It's all her fault. If you say she is dropped and experiences a fall on the way because they only had one aid and no proper belt to hold her up, that's a different story. Now there's an active party in the story that you can attribute her harms to. Attribution to the defendant and the way that you deliver it is one of the things. It's like how their motive comes through their behavior. And that's what you're trying to get to, a narrative that people can relate to.
Thank you for joining us on Trial Lawyer Nation.